Hi, this is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, make sure you press that subscribe button. Also, make sure you click that bell for that notification link and help your girl out. So today I'm really excited because this video is part of my 31 days of October Slay. And with this look, this is going to be a DIY. Now, this is going to be a really great look, especially for all you last minute Halloweeners who are trying to figure out a creative idea to find a costume for a last minute Halloween party. So this look that I'm going to be doing is going to be inspired by the movie Dead Presidents. It's a very popular urban flick. I highly suggest you watch it. I'm pretty sure I watched it like more than 10 times over the years. And you already know the leading actor is Lorenz Tate. Yes. Anyway, so I want to get started, but before we get started, I want you to check out the pieces that I'm going to be using for my costume. Alright, so these are the pieces that I'm going to be using to create my Halloween costume. I just want to advise you that everything that I usually have is already in my closet. I'll just find creative ways to piece things together. So you don't have to have the exact same things. But for this Halloween costume, you must have some black gloves. Now, these were some black gloves I already had stashed somewhere in the back. I did pick up a hat, and it's just a regular black hat, and I picked this up for the dollar store. Like I say, y'all, you know, I try to make sure that the things that I do are very easy on your pockets. But I'm pretty sure someone in your household or a significant other probably has one of these laying around. So there you go, money saved. I am going to be wearing hoop earrings just because I'm going to try to sexy up the costume because it's Halloween. Why not? Now, as far as the costume, I'm going to be wearing like black stockings, and I'm going to be putting some shorts over it. And I'm just going to be wearing like a black top that I had, laying around. So you can definitely wear like a black all white hoodie, sweatsuit, or you could wear like a black leather jacket. Just as long as that is all black, because really like most of the costume that pulls it together is the hat and the gloves and the face makeup. And I am going to be pairing it with some high-waisted boots. So now that you see everything that I have together, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started on the face makeup. Hey there. So this is going to be a very easy DIY. Like, you can actually do this face paint in maybe like under 5 to 7 minutes. So make sure you start with a bare face, and what I'm taking right now is just a white eyeliner pencil. And I'm actually just marking and tracing around my face area. Now, that's completely optional. You don't have to do it, but I just do it because it helps me stay within the lines. So next, I'm going to be taking my white Snazaroo face paint, and I'm just going to be using my sponge technique, where it's basically I take a dish sponge, cut it up in squares, and then I press it in face paint, and I just put it all over my face. So I decided to just come back, and I just did a couple of layers also with the foundation brush just to try to smooth it out. Keep it in mind, you can invest in more expensive face paint, but hey, Snazaroo seems to get the job for me. So now I'm taking just a regular black eyeliner, lip liner pencil, and I'm just tracing around my eyes to mark out the part that I want to color black. Now, I was trying to create like the same eye design as it is on Lorenz Tate's photo. So that's what I used as a reference. So now I'm going to go to the next step, which is basically just taking my black Snazaroo face paint, and then I'm just coloring it in black. Now, keep in mind, if you want to have a darker shade of black, you can try to remove some of the white around your eyes and then color it in black. But this seems to still work. Just make sure that you put a couple layers on top. And right now I'm going to be doing it to the other side. Now, as you see here, I had a little boo-boo, so all I did was clean it up off camera. So now the third step is, well, take the same black Snazaroo paint and color my lips black. Now you don't have to use this black face paint. You can just wipe the white off your lips. You can use black lipstick or like a matte black lipstick. That way it can stay on longer. But I only did this because, I mean, it was right there. And also I want to include that I did over outline my lips just a little bit. And this is the final look. Now all you have to do is put on the rest of your costume. Hey, so this is the final face paint look with all of my accessories on and put together. I feel like the look really came together. And I just want to walk in. Now, I don't have the best face painting skills. I am really a beginner. So that way you can feel a lot easier if you are trying to do this yourself. And just, you know, when it comes to stuff like this, just take your time. There's no need to rush. So this is how it looks. Now you can use different face paint than what I use. Since I'm a beginner, I don't spend a lot of coins on the expensive brands, but you know, it still gets the job done. And the hat brings it all together. I already had the hoop earrings. I already had the gloves. And I have this cute shirt. Now this hair I have not done a review on, but this is Alani. This is Alani by Zury. And this is like, I think this may be like 36 or 40 inches of hair. Yeah, it's really, really long. But I feel like I wanted the dramatic look when it came to this. When it came to this look. So yeah, it's really long. So tell me what you think. Let me know if this was a creative idea. Let me know if you're going to actually be using this for your Halloween look. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment in the description box below. I would say if you like this look, put like a money bag or money signs or the stack of money emoji to let me know that you rocking with this look. But like I say at the end of all of my videos, make sure you stay beautiful and make sure you stay positive and make sure you check out my next video.